Hi, I'm Allie from Honey Creek Speech. I'm a licensed speech language pathologist, and today we're going to learn a little bit more about lateralization. So, for our video today, I have my BJOREM speech sound cues for lateralization. So this is going to replace all of our old S, Z, SH, and CH sound cues and replace them with new sounds. Because sometimes when you're working on speech therapy for the S and Z and CH and SH, if the kid thinks that they're working on those sounds, then they completely shut down. So we're going to replace it with new sounds, new sound cues. So my hope after this video is if you're a speech language pathologist, you go and buy these cards because they're amazing. And if you're a parent, you can use this video to help train and practice your kid for the new sounds for the S, the SH, the Z, and the CH. All right, so in the box comes this little handy dandy guide of how to use the speech sound cues. And what we're going to do today is kind of go over the sound cue cards, okay? So what we're going to start with is our tick-tock sound. This is going to shape into a good S, Z, SH, and CH sound. So we're going to start with the t-t-t, the tick-tock sound. T-t-t-t. Once your child gets that good sound where their tongue's going up, t-t-t, and making that good T sound, then we're ready to move to the next step. So these are the new sounds that we're going to try and shape into a good S sound. First, this is the new sound. This is the flat tire sound. Instead of the snake sound, we're going to use the flat tire sound. Tss, tss, tss. So your tongue starts at that tick-tock place, t, t, and it goes into the flat tire sound. Tss, tss. Good. All right, and this is for the Z. This is our new sound. This is the fly sound. Zzz. So our tongue's going to start at that T sound. Zzz. Make a good fly sound. Next, we have our windy sound. Our windy sound. Good. Next, we're going to have our spray sound. Ch, 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 ch. Just like you're spraying a spray bottle. Ch, 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 ch. Remember to keep starting at that T position. Ch, 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 ch. Good. Now we have our buzz cut sound. This is the j sound. J. Good job. All right, these are old sounds that we're not going to use anymore. That snake sound, we're going to use the tire sound instead. The zipper sound, we're going to use the fly sound instead. Zzz. The quiet sound, shh. No, we're going to use the windy sound instead. Shh. The choo-choo sound, nope. What we're going to use for that one? We're going to use the spray sound. Ch, 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 ch. Good. And the last one we're not going to use is the hair dryer sound. Zzz. We're going to use the buzz cut sound. Zzz. Good. Good job, guys. So I also have in the pack lots of practice words to practice our new sounds. So let's go through them together and remember our new sound cues, okay? All right. This is the tire sound at the end of words. Bats, bats, bats. That flat tire sound, bats. Good. Next we have cats. Flat tire sound for cats, cats. Good. Next we have boots, boots, boots. Lights, lights, lights. Be sure you're using that flat tire sound. Hats, hats, hats. Okay, this is going to be our flat tire sound at the beginning of words. Sock, sock, sock. Saw, saw, saw. Good. Flat tire sound. Sad, sad, sad. Yep. Safe, safe, safe. Good job, guys. So, so, so. We're still using our flat tire sound for those. Now we're going to move into do you remember our fly sound? Zzz. Our fly sound. Zzz. Good. Okay, this is going to be our fly sound at the beginning. Zap. Zap. Good. Zigzag. Zigzag. Zoom. Zoom. Remember our fly sound. All right, now we are moving into our spray bottle sound. Ch, 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 ch. Good, our spray bottle sound. You remember this one? Ch, 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 ch. Okay, we have hatch, hatch, hatch. Match, match, match. Itch, itch, itch. Rich, rich, rich. Be sure you're using that spray bottle sound. Ch, ch, ch. Okay, this is going to be at the beginning. Chew, chew, chew. Choke, choke, choke. Chore, chore, chore. Good. Chair, chair, chair. Our spray bottle sound. Ch, ch, ch. Now we're moving into our windy sound. Do you remember our windy sound? Shh. Good. All right, we have shack, shack. Shade, shade. Shock, shock. And shy, shy. Good. Okay, now we're moving into our buzz cut sound. You remember our buzz cut sound? Zzz. Good. We have gym, gym, gym. Jail. Remember our buzz cut sound? Jail, jail. And we have our last one. Jeep, jeep, jeep. Good job, guys. That is all of our speech sound cue cards. Nice job. So I'm going to go over our new sounds one more time. And remember, we want the air to come out the front of our mouth. Lateralization is when the tongue is inaccurately placed and the air is coming out the side of the mouth, kind of like a slushy sound. It's not coming out the front of the mouth like s, 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 s. Good. Okay, let's go over our sounds one more time. Remember, we're going to start with that tick-tock sound, and then we're going to move into our new flat tire sound. Tss, tss. And we have our fly sound. Zzz. Good. Then we have our windy sound. Shh. Then our spray sound. Ch, 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 ch. Last but not least, our buzz cut sound. Zh, zh, zh. All right, we're all done. Thank you guys. Again, this was the BJOREM Speech Sound Cues Lateralization deck. I hope you guys enjoyed. Feel free to ask any questions or comments in the comment section below. Thanks, guys. Have a great day.